Hey guys, in this video, we're going to tell you about best Monopoly Go gift partner strategies. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open the Monopoly Go app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, you will be redirected to the home page where the actual game is played. Now this event works as following. You simply run the dice and here you can get the puzzle pieces. Now this puzzle piece contribute to the little bar and you can earn prizes by spinning the wheel as of here. But the catch is you can only play with strangers or with Facebook people. Now what I've done is I've actually made a different Facebook account on my PC and I used an emulator called BlueStacks to go to Monopoly Go. Made an account, friend up with myself on Facebook. Like this is my main account. And now I can play with myself and all the puzzle pieces I contribute to this prize I get, but my main account also gets it. So this is a way quicker method on earning prizes, because if I spin the wheel and I get 2000 again, the 200 dice will actually go to myself and to my main account. So this is a very quick method. Now to earn these puzzle pieces, all you have to do is simply play the game, roll the dice, or you can do the bonuses. That's all about best Monopoly Go gift partner strategies. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.